So this is video number 2 with that of the AI stocks that are all moving in the right direction. The 200 moving average, and these are the top stocks I would have picked. They're all going in the right direction. Today is that of October the 15th, 2025. So of course stocks change from day to day, from week to week, to month, but these are the ones that are going in the right direction in that of the last 200 days. And of course, you can check out that of the link down in the description. It is just with that of Simply Wall Street. It is free for the first 30 days, after which you can decide whether you want to purchase it or not. And if you do, it's a nice low commission for me, and I'm working hard on these videos, these long form videos for you guys, just to show you the power of Simply Wall Street. Anyway, long story short, moving on to that of the very bottom stock right there. And that looks like to me, I am most definitely going to, I haven't purchased it or anything. And this one looks like a good one for my watch list. And I will have to put that on my watch list because it all seems to be all in the right direction. Green lights in the last little while, as you can see. Everything right there looks to be in a very good checklist. And of course, I always look for that of all green lights if I am buying a stock, and it's all green lights to me there. So with all that said, I always check out that of how much money they have in the bank, and of course the outstanding shares. And if you happen to click on there, it will tell you exactly what's going on with the stock. You'll get updates all the time on that of your watch list and your stock list that you have bought. So let's go to the overview. Of course, I go down, check everything else. There's so many, so much data here. It's just crazy. Yeah, of course, you can go back and see where everything was, where everything is going. It's going in the right direction. And of course, I always look for that of everything in the green here. When I see that I am pretty happy with that. And of course, the competitors. You're right there, and here is the competitors all in this area here. Amazon, etc. And of course, price to earnings versus peers. That's what I like to see. And of course, you can go all the way down and scroll and look at all the data if you want to buy this specific stock. So let's go on to the next one. That's on my watch list. This one's interesting. 10.5% undervalued, and of course there is insider selling in the last couple of months, and that's a heck of a lot of insider selling. Insider buying, selling, yeah. All right, wow. Go down here to check out the financial health. That's good. And past performance. And of course, I'll have another little peekaboo at this. That's just probably one maybe for my watch list. I'm not going to buy this one. You can decide that one on your own self, of course, if you want to buy it or not. I'm just saying and showing you what I do when I look at all this stuff. I will look for that too. So there's so many metrics that Simply Wall Street has on your deciding factor of if you're going to buy your stock or not. That's, like I said, that is totally up to you. And again, once more, I would just put that on my watch list and watch it, because they send you consistent updates on what you're doing and watching on these stocks. So here is another one right there. And okay, once more, check this out. Like that. That's pretty much all green lights there. I don't know. I haven't bought it yet, but I mean, that's just, oh yes, I have. It is. I'm holding that one. What am I saying? Well, that's nice to know. I've already bought it. That's what happens when you don't look at your list for a little while. Too busy making videos. So that's already been purchased. Well, that's a good one to know. Anyway, another one down, bites dust. Here we go for another one. And that is, am I holding this one? Yeah, I am holding this one. I'm holding all the good ones. Imagine that. That's why everything's going up. Anyway, let's have a look at this. Financial health. I always look for that. More than anything else, financial health. How much money do they have in the bank? And of course, outstanding shares. And if you happen to buy this or you put this on your watch list, they will send you consistent information when information comes available on your stock. And that's just absolutely fantastic, because I actually have sold some that their ratings have gone down and I got rid of them, and that just pushed everything back up again some more. Anyway, I'm really happy with the metrics of everything on here, because I no longer have to day trade. I did that for 4 years, and I got really highly involved in it. And wow, it really plays on your brain, because I spent a heck of a lot of time doing it, and I still am doing it. Just that I am taking much more easier. There we go. Easier time doing it just by doing it like this. So with all that said, another one bites the dust. Let's go on to that of this stock here, UiPath Incorporated. You once more, check out here. Financial health is good. And of course, large impacting financial results. Oh, what the heck is that? So let's go here and have a little peekaboo here. So that's another one you gotta watch. I'll let you guys decide on that one yourselves. Financial health, all green in the bank. Dividends, no. Usually I don't buy any dividends or anything like that. I do stock options or stock leaps more than anything else. So if it offers stock option leaps, then I will do that. And that's another can of worms, of course, with that of Monument Traders Alliance. You can learn that on there. And let's just have one more tiny little look down here. I might have to go off to video number 3 here. And based on its peers, it's good. So that's good. It was good to know. So, I will put that on my watch list, just because I will get more information on it before I decide to buy it in any way. So it looks like I will have to go off to that video number 3. Of course, the link down below to that of Simply Wall Street is down below. It's free for the first 30 days, after which you have to pay, and then you can decide whether or not if you want to buy this. And it's good for, it's a platform used that for long-term growth. And you just don't have to bug your eyebrows, bug your brain out because you're doing day trading. Anyway, have a good day and subscribe for way more. Check out my community page. Check out that of my Fear and Greed Index videos on my playlist. And you'll see exactly what I am doing with everything that I do. Ciao for now.